I'm craving hope in this darkness.
Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I think maybe I introduced the vlog earlier on. Yeah, so welcome to another market vlog. Okay guys, so I'm going to market again. Yeah, I went to drop my baby girl in my sister's place as usual so I can go to the market. Yeah, so this is my wallet, my money, my list is inside here, so let's go to market. Okay, this is a raw and unedited market vlog. Hopefully they'll let me vlog much in the market, like the stuffs. Let's go. What Avenue? You're not going? That keke was not going. Told him Third Avenue. He said he's not going. So I found that. When I saw him, he's charging me 800. Alright, so let's see market stuff.
Pretty, good afternoon. Do you need food stuff I'm selling?
I have a customer. I don't know if you are the one.
I beg you, I just started nicely.
I think you are the one because I wait till you talk.
I take for near those people where the straight go to me.
Now you. Can you find? Okay, get the one. Yes. All right. So I want to get. I have some food stuff. No, mudu. Half mudu. How much you say half mudu?
Wood nice 354.
So half mudu.
1,750. But I will give you 1,500. It's possible.
Then I'll need
That is 2 cups.
okay. Then give me that yellow pepper.
Will she cut it?
Yes, yes, so.
Let me give her 2 cups.
Need it cut.
Calabar oil. Just shake it and taste it.
Never taste calabar oil before. I hope. Oh.
See
That one.
another one.
I don't want to use.
Why is very nice? Let me give you this. I have used this one. I never use this one, but it's still calabar oil. This one I have used. I had to pick up 1,000.
Yes.
This is for it's local fish.
And the one I bought from you that last time, man. It was nice. Hey,
See. Are you
thank you. Give me one more dose, because it's only me that is eating it. The one I bought the last time still remaining small shots.
see, Jack?
Thank you.
What they do you with so that as you later come again, you don't come again.
Okay, cut.
You get flour?
Yeah, flour. Hello. It's baking flour, right?
I never give you your change, I did.
No, 100 naira.
What about these?
No,
Baking powder,
I get those as
baking
well.
soda,
I get those as well.
mixed level.
I get. Oh, now my meat. I'm not like, why you not show me the part where they cut give me now? See the part where I like. I know they eat fat. You get fat, I know they eat anything they get fat, I know they chop am. Do you have cloves? I give me 500 there.
500.
500. Give me carrots.
Nine.
So guys, I just got back home. Let me unbox this stuff for you guys. Then tomorrow I will cook this food because a girl is tired. Like very tired. Yes. Don't, I'll give you plantain. I'm tired. This, I got this for 3,000. I got this plantain for, yes, it's plantain. It's plantain. Got this plantain for 2,000 naira. Oh. See ya. 2,000 naira plantain. See ya. 2,000. You're telling me 2,500 for this thing. This small thing. I got this yarn for 1,500. Oh. No going down. 1,500. Yeah.
Mama?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, plantain. Got the yarn for 1. So it's aqua I got from my sister's house. This is 1,500. This is 200. This is 500. 500. Yeah, keep that in. This is 400. Oh wait. This is 500. This is 500. This is onions 500. Carrots 500. Tatashi 400. Tomato 500. Pepper 200. Green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper 1,500. Here is chicken. This chicken is 2,500. Here is meat. This meat is 1,700. Here is sugar. This sugar is 400 naira. And this is flour. This flour is 2,000. baking flour. That is 150. Every time I go market, I buy bako bag. I don't know why I don't carry my bako bag and go inside market. This is 500 naira. Inside here we have. Okay, this is 600. This is water leaf. Water leaf is 600. This is 1,000. This is 100 naira. This is 500 naira. This is 200 naira. This is 500 naira. This is 1,000 naira. This is 700 for red gari, 700. This is beans, 1.5 mudu for a mudu is 1/2. So this is 1/8. I'm right. And that's it, guys. So guys, I'm tired. That's all I got. I went to the market. It was my transport money. I went to the market with 20,000. I now ended up withdrawing another 7,500 plus my transportation. Last I spent 30k, 30 G's, 30,000 naira for Nigerian market. Ow, my hair! Oh, my hair! Come on, motherhood. So guys, if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let this channel grow, guys. This year I want to hit 5k if it's possible. Next month is my birthday, October 1st. Guys, help your girl, support your girl, share me out, subscribe. If you can super chat me or send or join my membership, is another way for you to support my channel. And yeah, so I really do appreciate. So this is the cost of living in Abuja, Nigeria. I hope you enjoyed this market vlog. Okay, so I think I'm talking too much. I'll see you in my next video. Your girl is tired. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.
Yeah,